Hello guys, you Lenovo Tab M10 HD, this second gen version of this tablet, Wi-Fi version, 64GB Intel memory in the iron gray color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have tablet, key for SIM slot and quick guide. And on this we have micro USB cable and adapter for charging. That's all complementation. Tablet made of metal and plastic. This on this and this. On the back side 8 megapixel main camera, on the front side 10-inch display and front camera, downside dock station connections, upside slot for micro SD card, power key and LOM keys, and on this side USB Type-C port, speaker, and this we have headphones jack and second speaker. Okay, turn on device, HD resolution display, open settings, about tablet, Android 10, okay, display IPS, open test, look results, CPU MediaTek MT 8768, 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.8 and 2.3 GHz, GPU power wear, resolution and display PPA. Okay, test results. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark we don't have results. Onto the benchmark doesn't work on this device. Okay, look how GTA San Andreas the money game work on the device. On the medium graphic level, game works good on the medium graphic level, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.